Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus GX 550 versus the Prado 250. We'll explore their distinct features, performance, and target audiences. The GX 550 elevates the off-road experience with its luxurious interior and advanced technology, while the Prado 250 emphasizes robust utility and dependable performance. Understanding these core differences will help you decide which SUV best suits your needs. Let's dive into what powers these impressive machines. The Lexus GX 550 comes equipped with a robust 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering substantial horsepower and torque for both on-road and off-road adventures. The Prado 250, on the other hand, provides a range of engine choices, including an efficient 2.4-liter turbo hybrid, catering to diverse preferences. Both models ensure excellent capability with their advanced four-wheel drive systems. Moving inside, the Lexus GX 550 truly shines with its opulent interior, featuring high-quality materials, a large touchscreen display, and a suite of comfort-focused technologies. The Prado 250 provides a more utilitarian yet comfortable cabin, designed for resilience and functionality, while still incorporating essential modern tech. Both SUVs ensure a safe and connected journey with their comprehensive safety suites and user-friendly interfaces. When considering value, the Lexus GX 550 generally sits at a higher price point, reflecting its premium features and luxury branding. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 250 offers exceptional long-term value, known for its legendary reliability and robust build quality. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate luxury or rugged, dependable utility. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.